If you only own one wrench for tough jobs, there's a strong case that it should be a pipe wrench. And once you understand why, you'll never think of it as just a plumber's tool again. Most people assume this is a niche tool for professional plumbers only, sitting untouched in most home toolboxes. But the truth is, a pipe wrench solves problems that almost no other tool in your garage can handle. Today, we're breaking down exactly why this tool earns a permanent spot in every serious toolbox, along with the real story of how it was invented. Before we get into it, if you find this kind of practical tool knowledge useful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps this channel keep going. Let's start with the history, because it explains exactly why this design works so well. Our story goes back to 1869 in Cambridge, Massachusetts. A mechanic named Daniel Stilson worked at the Walworth Manufacturing Company, a business that built steam heating systems out of iron pipe. At the time, there was no reliable way to grip round pipe without it slipping under pressure. Stilson designed a wrench with angled, serrated teeth and a loose, pivoting jaw. The harder you pulled the handle, the tighter that jaw clamped down. He patented the design in 1869, and the tool became known by his own name, the Stilson wrench. It was such a breakthrough that Stilson reportedly earned around $100,000 in royalties, an enormous sum at the time. And here's the part that really says something about the design. More than 150 years later, almost every pipe wrench sold today still uses that exact same self-tightening jaw mechanism. Very few tools in history have gone that long without needing a redesign, so now let's talk about why this old design still earns its place in a modern toolbox. The number one reason is grip strength on round surfaces. No other common hand tool grips a round pipe or rod as securely as a pipe wrench. The self-tightening jaw means the harder something fights back, the tighter your grip becomes. That makes it perfect for old, rusted plumbing pipe that would slip right out of an adjustable wrench. But plumbing isn't the only place this shows up. Pipe wrenches are commonly used to grip and remove a rusted car exhaust pipe or muffler. They're also useful for gripping round metal fence posts or deck railing supports during installation. Anytime you're working with something round and stubborn, a pipe wrench is often the only tool that will actually hold it. Another reason it belongs in your toolbox is dealing with rounded, damaged bolt heads. If a bolt head has already been stripped smooth by the wrong tool, a pipe wrench can often bite into what's left and finally turn it. That alone has saved plenty of people from having to drill out a stuck bolt entirely. Pipe wrenches also come in a range of sizes, and knowing which one to grab matters. A 10-inch pipe wrench works well for small pipes and light household repairs. A 14-inch wrench is the most common size, handling most typical plumbing pipe around the house. An 18-inch or 24-inch wrench gives you more leverage for larger, more stubborn pipe fittings. As a rule of thumb, longer wrenches give you more turning power, but they need more room to swing. For a basic home toolbox, a 14-inch pipe wrench covers the vast majority of situations you'll run into. Now, here's a maintenance tip that most people skip. Because the jaw teeth are what create the grip, keeping them clean makes a real difference. Wipe off rust, dirt, and old pipe compound after each use so the teeth stay sharp and effective. A light coat of oil on the jaw pivot also keeps the self-tightening action working smoothly for years. Skip that maintenance, and even the best pipe wrench will start slipping just like a cheap one. So to sum up why this tool matters, it grips round surfaces nothing else can hold. It saves damaged bolts, and it works on plumbing, exhaust pipe, and outdoor projects alike. It's one of those tools you might only reach for a few times a year, but when you need it, absolutely nothing else will do the job. That's exactly the kind of tool worth keeping in your garage, even if it just sits there most of the time. Speaking of having the right tool ready for the right project, If you enjoy building things around the house, I want to mention something that pairs really well with videos like this one. Ted's Woodworking is a massive library of woodworking plans, thousands of step-by-step projects, with the cut lists and materials lists already worked out for you. It's a one-time payment, no subscription, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's basically no risk in checking it out. I've linked it in the description below, and quick disclosure, that's an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you decide to grab it at no extra cost to you. Now back to the pipe wrench. Next time you're stuck fighting a rounded bolt or a stubborn pipe fitting, you'll know exactly which tool to reach for. A 150-year-old design, still solving problems nothing else can. If this changed how you think about the pipe wrench in your garage, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more simple, practical tool tips like this one.